Let's face the truth. Launching a new Shopify store is pretty easy, but generating decent profit is quite difficult. There are a lot of reasons behind that, but the most significant factor we have found is Facebook Pixel. Yes, Facebook Pixel. According to expert researchers, it has been proven that running multiple niches on a single pixel is not an effective way to generate maximum ROI. Unfortunately, 90% of Shopify store owners have made the same mistake. They have never used any Facebook Pixel app that allows them to keep their pixel data clean and optimized. Introducing Alpha Pixel. Run multiple Facebook pixels on a single store without any problem. Alpha Pixel is specially designed to keep your pixels supercharged and optimized for your store niches. Alpha Pixel helps you to improve your ad performance by sending precise customer activity to Facebook. We have an advanced matching feature that will help you increase your advertising reach as well as your ROI. Alpha Product Feed offers merchants to run dynamic product ads on Facebook with just a few clicks. Alpha Feed has all the required features which improves the quality of your product and catalog score. So, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of our special free 14-day trial. Just install Alpha Pixel and see the difference for yourself. It's a no-brainer and the best business investment you ever made.